Number 5.
Starting off the press. Kailangan starting the press.
They will receive a cash and a stock toy. And our Mr. Dwayne Flora Couture is Mr. Pintalo's number 13. Yes. Congratulations! Our next special award is Darling of the Press. This award is ito yung Darling ng Press. Okay.
Okay ah. Starting pala ng press. Okay.
Kasi nga, Darling
On the press. Actually, madali naka-brainy ka to.
Oo, grabe.
and to be awarded by Sir Drex Richmond Mara. You will receive a sash, a cash, a stock toy, and brand new camera.
Ay, grabe yung brand new camera.
Okay. Our darling of the press is candidate number. Okay, next award. Our next award is Best in Rainwear. To be awarded to the very famous, the very beautiful, the very gorgeous, napakakinis, pinipilahan, pwede tikman, pero di pwede iuwi, Miss Boraos Queen.
Yes! This is good out for me.
Our Best in Rainwear will receive a sash, stock toy, a cash, plus 3 days. 3 days stay at Manila Hotel lobby.
Wow! Plus, 200,000 gift certificate. Jollibee Tacloban branch.
Hindi ko sagot nung airfare. Our best in rainwear is number 5.
Wow!
Ay, chef, panalo si Kagawa. Ay, talaga naman. Our next award is
Galit ka ba, Tony?
Matulala.
focus tayo din. Our next award is best in spelling.
Ha? Spelling.
Best in lambat fashion wear. Yeah, siya yung pinakamadaming nahuling isda.
Sa South China Sea.
To be awarded by Mr. Jopper. Yeah, Sir Jopper, nandiyan na kayo. Tapos yung blessing para sa amin, sir.
Oo, sir.
Sira namin sa Facebook. They will receive a sash, a cash, stuffed toys, and a letter.
Plus, 100,000 gift certificate. Massage self-service.
From Wensha. Thank you, sir. Our best in number fashion wear is candidate number 9.
Ay, wala na single. Wala tayong talent.
Be, sa kabilang, ano to, Be? Our next special award is Best in Swimwear. Courtesy of Marcus Marcus. To be awarded by Madam. Si Ma'am. Hindi ka mag-award. Hindi ko yung name mo, sorry po. Yung may-ari ng salon. Na mayaman, mapagbigay.
Si Madam Lauren.
Yes.
Merong 742 branches nationwide.
Yes, sinalo ka niyang Angel's Burger. Madami yung para sa amin. No?
Oo, sa pag-usapan. Balawal kita.
Best in Swimwear will receive a sash, a cash, and a stop toy. Our Best in Swimwear is candidate number 5. Our next award.
Pero wala na ba?
Wala na ba?
Focus.
Guys, palakpakan naman natin ang ating 8 preliminary candidates for Mr. Pentalos 2024. And this coming August 31 po ang ating grand finals. Please message Nanay June for ticket reservation.
And of course, thank you so much sa ating mga final judges for tonight. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sa ating mga sponsors.
And media partners.
Media partner. Maraming salamat.
Yes.
Sa ating mga media partners, Boy